Okay, so for context, I'll play the clip. Hopefully, I don't get a copyright strike.
Felt sorry for guys packed into gyms, trying to look like how Calvin Klein or Tommy Hilfiger said they should. That what a man looks like?
Self-improvement is masturbation, not self-destruction. Excuse me.
Okay, let's read some comments. So, find the odd one out. Holy shit. So many triggered little boys. Gen Z really needs to hear that message with their narcissistic self-obsession. I work out regularly, but I won't deny it's just glorified masturbation. This looks like a cutscene from a game. For anyone who didn't understand the message, he meant that self-improvement is a futile and selfish pursuit that only satisfies one's ego temporarily, like masturbation. He believed that self-improvement is a way of conforming to the expectations and norms of society, which he despised. He wanted to challenge and destroy the status quo, and he thought that the only way to do that was to embrace self-destruction. By self-destruction, he did not mean harming oneself physically or mentally, but rather abandoning one's identity, fears, attachments, and comforts. He thought that only by losing everything, one can be free to do anything. Excuse me? This movie was way ahead of its time.